All right, if that isn't a spooky omen, I don't know what is. You know, when this is all over, I'm gonna buy this freaking suit. Welcome to beautiful Chiang Mai. I'm loitering in front of a 7-Eleven. Alright, I stepped away from the store. I don't want to look like some kind of a weirdo or something. How is everyone doing? I hope you're doing safe and sound in these very trying times. I've been okay. I've had my sparks of positivity and my storms of doom and gloom. You know what? It's my first pandemic, so you know, you just gotta kind of ease into it. Last week I made a joke about starting a cooking channel. Well, my friend Eric, he wrote like a really cool comment about maybe like show some of the frozen food at 7-Eleven. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab one random frozen food and I am going to put it in my bag, take it home, give it a taste, and give it an honest review. Got my mask on, got my blue bag. Let's go to 7-Eleven. Let's grab a meal. Rush hour during a pandemic. I swear, I'm not gonna look. Just grabbing the meal. There you go. Alright, get a shot of no sugar Coca-Cola. Oh, Coca-Cola. Hopefully I got a good meal. I'm pretty darn hungry. It's pretty late. It's almost 3 o'clock. I never eat lunch this late. Alright, let's go and pay. Alright, actually I got a glance at it as they're putting it in my bag. Let's see. I see it's chicken or something. It is, oh, this actually doesn't look too bad. It is stir-fried chicken with chili paste and bamboo shoots. Let's head home, throw it in the microwave. Actually, I'll show some random videos once we get home. So, you know, let's just get home. I'm pretty hungry. Enough of the yap yap. You know what? While I'm doing my culinary magic right there, why don't we watch some videos I took this week? There's a couple random ones of me around town, and also I went to a temple for Thai New Year, better known as Songkran. Enjoy. You know what? I think I need to put it in a little bit longer. Still a little frozen. Whatever. You know what? Enjoy the videos. I'll see you in a little bit. There you go. But the corona won't get you. A random hole on the sidewalk will. You know, when this is all over, I'm gonna buy this freaking suit. $4.20 every day, baby. Okay, this car just broke down in front of me. And oddly enough, the name of the car is the Corona. Alright, if that isn't a spooky omen, I don't know what is. I'm at Chai Mongkol Temple. Old temple in Chiang Mai, right on the Ping River. Very beautiful. I love this temple. Been here a bunch of times. Alright, well, happy Songkran. It is Thai New Year. Stayed at a temple. It's towards the ends of Songkran, but I wanted to come here. Of course, there's not too many people here for obvious reasons, but I wanted to stop and just kind of pay my respects. Right along the Ping River. Beautiful Mae Ping. Actually, in my last week's video, I referred to Chiang Mai as being beautiful, and someone kind of took issue with that. I think Chiang Mai is beautiful. Definitely not perfect. Thailand's not perfect. I don't think any country is, but some of the flaws of Thailand and Chiang Mai are pretty apparent, but doesn't make me love it any less. Doesn't make me not want to be here. So I'm in beautiful Chiang Mai on the beautiful murky green Ping River. Why aren't they wearing masks? Why aren't you guys social distance from me? Okay, they're staying around. I don't want to disturb them. How's it going, guys? Usually there's a lot more people here, so they're usually not hanging out as much as they are right now. Okay, is this guy about to do something on me? I probably should not be standing underneath the bird like that. That's probably not a good idea. Let's kind of walk over here. I think this is it's just like a cemetery, so let me get out of here. Be respectful. Bruno Unframed is all about cultural sensitivity and respect. Man, it is really, really hot today. Mid-April, I guess that's pretty standard. Normally there's the Songkran Water Festival, and obviously it's been delayed till further notice. I don't know, I'm here in June or July, who knows. Last year I had a good time. Actually, click on the link above. That was one of my first big videos on this channel. I put together like a couple minute Songkran video. It performed pretty well for being such a new channel. A lot different than this year. A lot more exciting, a lot more hopeful. Wasn't as didn't really know my girlfriend then. I think we just were kind of chatting at that point. We didn't really know each other. So it wasn't really, I was homesick, but I wasn't missing my girl like I am now. I was actually supposed to go to pray today, but the bus station's closed, no buses are leaving Chiang Mai, so hopefully next month I'll be able to go. Speaking of next month, actually the end of this month I was supposed to get surgery. I have a carpal tunnel on my right wrist and my left wrist, but you know, with what was going on, I didn't want to go under the knife, so delayed it. So hopefully next month in May I'm really bright. Hopefully next month I'll see my girlfriend and I'll be able to get my surgery on my carpal tunnel. Gonna head home. Oh, nice. Make sure my buddy's not following me. He said hi to me. Say goodbye to me. Yeah, take it easy, dude. All right, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Look at this beautiful meal I just cooked up. Hopefully it's good. Let's give it a try. All right, let's give this stuff a taste. Hopefully it tastes good. All right, so, all right, this is, I don't know, chicken, bamboo, and I don't know, bunch of crazy stuff. So here you go. Let's see how it is. All right, let me get a piece of chicken, bamboo, little bamboo shoot. All right, bon appetit. This is like an ASMR video. Oh wow, that's pretty good. I didn't forget a napkin. All right. That's not bad. A little spicy. Hope I didn't make too many noise. I just made like a noise with my mouth. I hope that didn't come up on mic. Yeah, it's got some heat to it. Not too bad. All right, you know what? All right, in the comments below, let me know what your questionable meals have been since you've been locked indoors for most of the day. Have you kind of like compromised your diet a little bit? I mean, I think some food just came out of my mouth. All right, you know what? All right, I'm hungry. Let me finish this off and then we'll come back and we'll do the closing and all that good stuff. But like I said, in the comments below, please let me know, what have you been eating? What's like been your go-to? I've been eating a lot of these frozen meals. Not too many, because it is kind of nice getting out and waiting around for food and all that. But I've been eating more of these than I was before the pandemic. All right, let me get back to my food and I'll come right back. You know, I have to admit, that was pretty good. I would definitely get that again. It was kind of small, but you know, so far I feel pretty satisfied. Maybe I'll get like some fruit or something. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's recap today's video. Me walking around, pointing at stuff on the street. A car, a Corona. I've never heard of a Toyota Corona before, but supposedly it is like an older Japanese model. A friend of mine back in the States, I showed him a picture of it, and he's like, oh yeah, my grandfather had a Corona. I also showed me going to a temple for Thai New Year, for Songkran. Hope everybody's staying safe, hope everyone's washing your hands, staying a safe distance from other people. Wearing a mask, I think, is a good idea. Hopefully you're wearing a mask. Even if you're in a country that it looks kind of strange, I think it's very beneficial, and they're saying it's beneficial now. They're finally saying that. All right, as I said down below, put a comment on, like, you know, what your diets consisted of. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you're subscribed, click that bell, get notifications when new stuff comes out. If you want to contact me, click on the Instagram link down below. You can send me a message there. I'll reply as soon as I can. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.